Imagine this. You're sitting across from someone you're deeply attracted to. The conversation is flowing, but something's missing. You can feel it. They're not crazy about you. Not yet. What if I told you there are 6 questions rooted in ancient Stoic philosophy that can change everything? These aren't pick-up lines or manipulative tricks. These are questions that tap into the core of what makes us human. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to ask to make her see you in a way no one else does. But fair warning, once you use these, there's no going back. Stoicism isn't just about enduring hardship or keeping a stiff upper lip. It's about understanding human nature, mastering your emotions, and connecting with others on a deeper level. And when it comes to relationships, Stoicism has some surprising insights. Today, we're diving into 6 questions that will not only make a woman crazy about you, but will also help you build a connection that's real, meaningful, and lasting. These questions aren't about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. They're about being the best version of yourself, calm, confident, and in control. So let's get started. Here's the problem. Most guys approach relationships with the wrong mindset. They either try too hard, coming off as desperate or needy, or they don't try at all, thinking that being aloof or indifferent will somehow make them more attractive. Neither approach works. Why? Because they're both rooted in fear. Fear of rejection, fear of vulnerability, fear of not being enough. Stoicism teaches us that the key to overcoming fear is to focus on what we can control: our own thoughts, actions, and reactions. So instead of worrying about whether she likes you, focus on being someone worth liking, and that starts with asking the right questions. Question 1, what's something you've always wanted to do, but never had the chance to? This question is powerful because it taps into her dreams and desires. It shows that you're interested in her as a person, not just as a potential partner. According to Stoic philosophy, understanding someone's aspirations is key to building empathy and connection. When she shares her dreams, listen actively, don't interrupt or try to one-up her, just be present. This creates a safe space for her to open up, and that's when real connection happens. Question 2, what's the most difficult challenge you've ever faced, and how did you overcome it? This question reveals her resilience and character. Stoicism teaches us that adversity is where true strength is forged. By asking this, you're not only showing that you value her strength, but also giving her the opportunity to reflect on her own growth. Pay attention to how she describes her struggle. Does she focus on the obstacles, or does she emphasize how she overcame them? This will tell you a lot about her mindset and how she handles challenges. Question 3, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? This question goes beyond surface-level conversation and delves into her values and beliefs. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living in accordance with nature and contributing to the greater good. Her answer will give you insight into what she cares about most, whether it's social justice, environmental issues, or something more personal. This is your chance to see if your values align and to deepen the conversation in a meaningful way. Question 4, what's something you're really proud of but don't get to talk about? Often we all have achievements that we're proud of, but rarely get to share. This question allows her to shine and feel appreciated. Stoicism teaches us to celebrate our own virtues and accomplishments without seeking external validation. By giving her the opportunity to share something she's proud of, you're showing that you value her for who she is, not just for how she makes you feel. Question 5, what's a lesson you've learned that completely changed your perspective? This question invites her to reflect on her personal growth and the wisdom she's gained over time. Stoicism is all about learning from our experiences and using that knowledge to live a better life. Her answer will not only reveal her depth, but also give you a glimpse into how she processes and learns from her experiences. This is where you can really connect on a deeper level. Question 6, If you could describe your ideal day, what would it look like? This question is all about understanding her desires and what truly makes her happy. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what brings us joy and fulfillment rather than chasing external validation. Her answer will give you a clear picture of what she values most in life, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing her passions, or simply enjoying the little things. This is your chance to see if your visions of happiness align. Now, here's the thing, these questions aren't just about getting her to like you, they're about creating a genuine connection. When you ask these questions, you're not just listening to her answers. You're showing her that you care about who she is as a person, and that's what makes all the difference. Remember, Stoicism teaches us that the key to any successful relationship is to focus on what we can control: our own actions, our own mindset, and our own ability to be present. When you approach relationships from this perspective, you'll find that the right people are naturally drawn to you. So there you have it. 6 questions rooted in Stoic philosophy that will not only make a woman crazy about you, but will also help you build a connection that's real and meaningful. Remember, it's not about manipulation or playing games. It's about being the best version of yourself and creating a space where genuine connection can flourish. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out the next video where we dive deeper into how. Every time Stoic can transform your relationships. See you there.